Hello everyone, my name is Natasha. Today I want to tell you about the 10 most unusual natural phenomena. And so the 10th place is occupied by such a thing as northern lights. The second name for the aurora. It happens not only at the poles but also in Alaska, Greenland and Norway. The duration of this unusual phenomenon is from 5 to 10 minutes to several days. It occurs at an altitude of over 70 to 80 kilometers. Aurora occurs on other planets, most often occurs on Venus and Jupiter in the form of strange blue spots. The ninth place and bell lightning. For the first time, bell lightning was written in an annals long before our era in Rome, Portugal, and other states. From the side, these bells sometimes resemble the shape of a mushroom or a whale. Size can reach more than 20 centimeters and color white, yellow, red, or blue. Bell lightning appears both in thunderstorms and in sunny, calm weather. It can enter the house even from outlets. On the eighth place, the rainbow of fire. The first scientific name for the fire rainbow is the round horizontal rainbow. You can meet such a rare phenomenon in very hot weather and only in some places on Earth. Never be observed in windy or rainy weather. The rainbow does not pose any danger to others. The seventh row, mirage. A very large number of different types of mirage stand out. The most popular of them are lava and upper. Lava mirage most often occurs in arid places where the earth is very overheated. As a rule, in the distance a puddle or a reservoir appears. The upper mirage, on the contrary, occurs in cold places at the north and south poles. Another name is Hillinger, solar halo, and the sixth place. The solar halo is the appearance of a ring around the sun. Such a phenomenon occurs only 13 times in 100 years and portends bad weather, a storm, or heavy rain. For the first time in the annals, the solar halo was mentioned only in the 16th century. There are many types of solar halo differing in the structures of arcs and rings. The first place, Gloria. This amazing phenomenon can be observed only in the clouds or high in the mountains in the form of a small rainbow ring, blue-red around the shadow of the observer. To see glory, you must definitely be calling back to the sun and moon. Incarnate glory is the second name light of the Belda sea foam, and this is the first unusual natural phenomenon. Sea foam is a very rare occurrence occurring off the coasts of Australia, Africa, and one more time in the UK due to the large amount of salt and waste in the sea or ocean. Foam is like whipped cream or cappuccino. It does not cause harm to humans and animals, but can easily flood streets and ships. This phenomenon was first recorded in 2007 in Sydney. On the third place, killer reefs. Killer whales attack ships and people suddenly appearing in the ocean. The height can sometimes reach more than 20 meters. Unlike the tsunami, killer whales appear almost not from where and drag the victim underwater. The highest wave was recorded in 1933 in the USA. The height of the giant reached 34 meters. The second place in fiery tornado. Fire tornado is one of the rarest phenomena on the planet. Most often it is caused by fires. This phenomenon occurs when fire meets swirling air currents. The temperature inside a funnel often reaches more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. The speed of the tornado reaches more than 30 kilometers an hour. Moving through the air, it begins to absorb all objects and create new fires, transmitting fire. Moving stones, and this is the first place. Such a strange phenomenon can be observed only in one place on Earth in the USA, Death Valley. For the first time, these moving stones were discovered about 100 years ago, back in the middle of the 20th century. but it was possible to shoot these bulges only in 2013 at Christmas. Besides the fact that all these bulges move in different directions, they also often change direction and turn over. Scientists could not explain why the stones move. There are theories that because of the thin pieces of ice underground, these stones move around a dry lake. I'll tell you about 10 unusual natural phenomena. If you are interested, please like me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And today that's all for now.